Hello guys, I'm going to make two videos. One where I'm flashing a MSI Golden Edition 465 to flashing it to a 470, and I'm going to show you how to flash it back to a 460. It's the same steps, you're just using different ROMs. Right now it is a 470. This video I'm going to show you how to flash it back to a 465. That is the BIOS I've been using. I've used it on 4 cards and it has worked very well. If you want it, just PM or email me and we'll sell it. I'll get it to you. Sell it to you. Email it to you, or I'll try to put it on a website or something where you can just download it. As you can see, notice CUDA is on when it's a 470. When it flashes back to a 465, CUDA is off, so I guess they don't want you. CUDA is not allowed on when it's a 465. Anyways, this is GPU-Z. What you do is, there's the BIOS there. If you want to make a copy, you click this button right here and you'll save the file. You'll save it wherever. It'll save it as a bin file. There's another program you'll have to use. I'll have to find it, and you turn it into a ROM, and that's what you have to have, is a ROM. So I saved these. Here's the original 465. You'll need to do that before you flash it to 470. You'll need to save this. When it's a 465, save the BIOS, save the original one. You want to have a backup in case something happens. Here's my original. That I did it with each card, and I'm using the same 470, so I just need one file of that. This is a tool. Actually, it was multiple tools to download that came with it. This HP USB. This will get your USB thumb drive ready to turn it into a bootable drive. I believe here is NV Flash. That is the version I used for the 400 series. This right here, NI bit. This is what you use to turn the bin into a ROM file. And this is the USB image 7. When you use, of course that's the install. Right down here, where is it? When you use the HP USB, I got it somewhere. I thought I had it on my desktop. HP USB format tool. Okay, this is the HP USB format tool. You throw in your USB drive, automatically detects it. FAT32, I just label it flash. And what you do is you click this right here. You want it to be a startup disk, and right here, system files located. You'll click on that, and then you'll find the Windows 7. You'll click this right here and it'll do that, I believe. Don't hold me to it. I didn't really make this video for that, but anyways, here is my flash drive. Let's put all this stuff on it. Here are the ROMs. These are the important things. You want NV Flash. Then this, it just kind of put all this stuff on there automatically. Here you want, it doesn't matter which one you're flashing to, make sure you have both, just in case something happens, you need to flash it back, because you're going to type this in. Remember the name of your ROMs. I just put S. One guy said he just put S for stock. So just make it simple, and I think it can only be so many characters, so just make it small. This is the stock 465. I just put stock 470. I don't even know what 470 BIOS it is. That's just the one I've been using. Make it simple like that. Now, what you want to do is have your USB plugged in, and you will want to restart. And on mine, I have to go into the BIOS each time and make sure the USB is selected as the first startup. So let me get there real fast. Okay. I always forget which one. Oh, what am I doing there? Right there. Okay. HDD boot priority. And generic is my USB. So we want to make it number 1. And yes. Okay. And here is all we're using. It's going to boot up. And there we go. Okay, it's going to give you the C flashing. And when you're there, you're just going to type, the very first thing you're going to type is NV flash. Space, that is 2 dashes. Erase 3 E's. It's erase EE prom. You need to make sure you have everything correct. You want that 2 dashes. If you just put 1, it actually goes somewhere else. I never read it. I accidentally did that, and luckily I canceled it before I screwed something up. So NV flash space 2 dashes, number 3 E's before prom. Hit enter, and it'll say blah blah blah, and it'll say press Y to confirm. It's going to erase the BIOS on. Okay, and it's that fast. Okay, next we're going to put NV flash space 1-4 space 1-5 space 1-6 space, and he's showing 470.ROM. Mine's gonna have an S in it. You're gonna make sure you have it exactly what you saved it as. I'm gonna capitalize it. I don't know if that matters. Of course, this one I'm going back to a 465, so I'm gonna put S465.ROM. Enter. You want to confirm this update? Yes, I do. And it'll go beep, beep with those 2 dots. I don't know if that's with everyone's system. And that's it. Now, when it's done, go ahead and remove the USB drive and just reset your computer. And showing post, which is always good. And look at that, starting Windows. Let's drop down here. Alright, we're almost at 10 minutes. Let me fire up GPU-Z. And we are now back at the original 465 BIOS. Back to 1 GB of RAM. Get your bandwidth, your bus, everything is back to what it was before it was flashed. Oh, CUDA's still on, huh? That's good. Last time it wasn't on. But anyways, there you go. That's back to a 465.